In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 40 amazing and creative ideas to repurpose and recycle old tires. Now these can be old car tires, old tractor tires. I think one or two of these ideas might even use an old bicycle tire. So I kind of compiled these all together into one video for you, and I take no credit for any of the ideas. I simply put them together, and I will put some links down below in the video description to each one of the ideas if you had any interest in making one of these. So if you guys find any of these ideas interesting at all, hit that like button, and if you like these type of DIY idea videos, hit that subscribe button for a lot more. And down below in the comments, let me know which was your favorite idea, or if you have an idea that you think I left off the list, let me know down below. And as always guys, thank you for watching.